I have been a Samsung fan since my school days as I was very much into Android OS. I had several Samsung flagships at home since a long time. The Samsung S3, S5, S7 Edge, Note 5, Note Edge, Note 7, etc. But I soon drifted from Android to iOS when my two OnePlus phones couldn't handle my demanding needs for 1 year to be the least. I was a hardcore gamer back then. I was frustrated and switched to an iPhone with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And since then, I haven't looked back on any Android. Despite my preference for iOS, using the S23 Ultra has made me realize the incredible advancements in the Android features. It's a stark reminder of the features I have been missing out on. And as a tech savvy individual, I will always give credit where it's due and criticize when necessary. Now let's delve into my review of the Samsung S23 Ultra in 2024. Is it really worth buying in 2024? And if yes, why and at what price? Hello guys, I'm Abhijit and you're watching TechNutso. This is my first time experiencing the Ultra flagship from Samsung. The reason I got the Samsung S23 Ultra for review is to check in what aspects Samsung beats Apple. I'm currently using the 12 to 56GB variant in a sleek green color. The Samsung S23 Ultra is a massive phone with a true slab design that's slightly larger than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Yes, the sharp borders are uncomfortable to hold for extended periods. Samsung should consider addressing this issue in future models. Considering my large hands, I found the S23 Ultra to be manageable with one hand. I adore the form factor because I enjoy using huge phones. These phones boast expansive displays and ample batteries, which I truly appreciate. They facilitate comfortable work across various apps and make content consumption an absolute delight. But I don't like curved displays. I reviewed the OnePlus 12R. The display was good, but the curved edges threw me off. I faced a problem wherein my touch wasn't registering on the edges of the OnePlus 12R. But I am glad that this isn't the case with the S23 Ultra. Also, Samsung got rid of the curved display on the S24 Ultra, which is good news. Despite its large form factor, the S23 Ultra feels surprisingly lightweight. Although it is heavy at numbers being of 234 grams, my iPhone 15 Pro Max is only 221 grams. The build quality feels absolutely premium with shiny aluminum sides and matte Gorilla Glass on the back. I like the camera module on the S23 Ultra. It has remained consistent since the S22 Ultra to the S24 Ultra. It consists of a line of camera lenses with a flat back. This green color is my favorite of the lineup, which also reminds me of my iPhone 11 Pro Max. The colors are quite similar. Let's have a quick physical overview. Huge curved display at the front. On the right are the volume buttons and a power button. Nothing on the left. A microphone on the top. An S Pen. Speaker vents. A 3.2 USB Type-C port. A microphone and a SIM card tray at the bottom. At the back are 4 camera sensors, one laser autofocus sensor, a flash and a microphone. The S23 Ultra is IP68 rated, which means it is dust and water resistant up to 1.5 meters and 30 minutes. So it can be okay with a little bit of rainwater splashes. The display is a 6.8-inch 120Hz panel with 1200 nits of high brightness and peak brightness of up to 1750 nits. The content is sufficiently visible under direct sunlight as I have experienced. The Samsung S23 Ultra boasts a remarkably smooth display under all conditions with vibrant and captivating colors. Samsung's displays are just next level. Touch response is quick and accurate, which is obvious. I could type just as swiftly as on my iPhone 15 Pro Max despite the S23 Ultra being slightly bigger. I thoroughly enjoyed watching suits and YouTube videos on the S23 Ultra with its loud and high quality stereo speakers. The haptics on the S23 Ultra are distinct from those on my iPhone, although they are noticeable. While I prefer the haptics on my iPhone, I appreciate the variety on the S23 Ultra. The under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor is truly impressive. It unlocks the phone at lightning speed, an incredible experience. Apple should consider adding a fingerprint sensor to the iPhones as well. Don't misunderstand, Face ID is secure and fast, but having another option is always beneficial. At the heart of the Samsung S23 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 paired with Adreno 740 GPU. Everyday tasks are a breeze on the S23 Ultra. Opening and switching between the apps is seamless with no lag or frame drops. I even played BGMI on smooth and extreme plus graphics settings, and the gameplay was smooth at 90 frames per second. I only experienced a few frame drops, which were rare and didn't cause any issues. However, the phone did get warm on the back near the camera module. The sharp corners of the phone were also noticeable in my hands, but since my controls were scattered across the screen, the phone moved around continuously, minimizing any discomfort. To compare the performance of the S23 Ultra with other devices, I conducted a BGMI opening test against the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the iPhone 13. Take a look at the video and make your guesses about the winner. The iPhone 15 Pro Max emerged as the clear winner. Even the iPhone 13 managed to secure a victory in this test. It's unfortunate for Samsung. After gaming for 20 minutes, the phone's battery only drained by 6%, which is impressive. Particularly, the phone didn't drop its brightness like iPhones do, which is a great feature that Apple should definitely adopt. In terms of gaming performance, the Samsung S23 Ultra is a phenomenal performer. However, let's talk about its camera. The S23 Ultra has a quad camera setup which consists of lenses 200 megapixel wide, 10 megapixel telephoto, 10 megapixel periscope telephoto and 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. The photos and videos captured by the S23 Ultra are sharp and vibrant with close to natural colors in daylight. I have attached two side-by-side shots with my iPhone 15 Pro Max for comparison. While I prefer the iPhone's colors for their vibrancy, the telephoto zoom lens on the S23 Ultra is truly exceptional. It outperforms the iPhone 15 Pro Max's zoom capabilities, allowing me to capture car registrations from the 18th floor. However, the low light photos on the S23 Ultra appear somewhat unclear and lack the brightness of the iPhone 15 Pro Max's night mode. The iPhone's night mode photo is significantly brighter and captures surprisingly good details. The 4K 60fps videos on the S23 Ultra are smooth and feature high quality stabilization. However, the colors in the videos appear dry and lack the vibrancy of the iPhone's videos. I believe the colors should be enhanced to compete with the iPhone. I noticed a whitish tint in the videos, while the iPhone's videos have a warmer color palette. All the videos on my channel are shot on iPhone, so you can check them out and experience the difference firsthand. Unfortunately, I can't use the S23 Ultra for videography. It's better suited for photography. I prefer the punchy colors in my content and the S23 Ultra struggles to deliver that. On the positive side, the S23 Ultra can shoot 8K videos at 30 fps, a feature that even flagship iPhones lack. The resulting videos are sharp and have good details. Lastly, the selfie camera on the S23 Ultra features a 12 megapixel wide sensor that can capture videos up to 4K 60 fps. I posted a selfie on Instagram asking my Instagram family to guess which smartphone the photo was taken on. I provided 3 brand names: Samsung, iPhone and OnePlus. The iPhone received the most votes, with Samsung coming in second and OnePlus in third. One of the reasons some people thought the photo was taken on an iPhone was the warm tone of the photo. The selfie turned out to be well colored and detailed. I want to thank Hemant Bhai from Majestic Mobiles for making this video possible. They deal in all types of smartphones, smartwatches and accessories, new and used. I have been buying from them for 5 years now and always got the best deals. I have given their Instagram link in the description. Go follow them and DM if you have any requirements. The S Pen is a fantastic addition to the S23 Ultra in today's market. It allows me to easily take notes and jot down important information wherever I am. The phone's display is large enough to comfortably use the S Pen. I absolutely love it. The call quality and network reception on the S23 Ultra are on par. I never faced any call drops or voice cuts on it. I had my Airtel 5G SIM in it and it was a good experience. The Bluetooth and Wi-Fi were also reliable. I used my AirPods Pro to listen to music and the audio quality was up to the mark. If you have made it this far in the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. The 5000 mAh battery on the S23 Ultra is a beast. It supports 45 watt fast wired charging, which is crazy fast in my opinion. It easily lasted me a full day with around 40 to 30% left. So technically it lasted me a day and a half as I would charge it the next morning. A day and a half with gaming, social media, watching videos, calling, music, capturing photos and videos, etc. Basically moderate usage. I am a fan of the S23 Ultra's battery, and I hope that upcoming iPhones have a battery that is as good as the S23 Ultras. The S23 Ultra is running the latest Android 14 and will receive the Android 17 by 2027 as per reports. And this is solid. The One UI, Samsung's feature-rich software skin, also incorporates AI capabilities. Some of my favorite AI features on the S23 Ultra are Circle to Search, which is highly accurate, generative wallpapers, slow down video playback by simply holding a finger on the screen, writing assistance, Samsung Notes, and a photo editor. The AI prompts are sent online to provide the best results, but for added privacy, you can enable the process data on the device only toggle. Samsung DeX is a unique feature that allows us to experience the convenience of working on a desktop by connecting a Samsung phone to a TV or monitor. The phone's display acts as a trackpad, and we can open and enjoy apps from the recent apps on large display. I am a fan, Samsung. Now the question arises, is the Samsung S23 Ultra worth our money in 2024? Currently, it is available on Amazon for Rs 75,990. The S23 Ultra offers a great display, exceptional battery life, software update for 3 years from now, and several AI features. It is definitely a worthwhile purchase in 2024 for people looking to buy a flagship performing Android device under Rs 1 lakh. You can also look at used devices for around Rs 50 to 60,000. So here I end my video. This was my perspective on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in 2024. Drop your queries in the comments below and the relevant ones will be answered. If you have any tech queries, follow and DM me on Instagram. I'm happy to help. Instagram link in the description. So see you guys in the next one. TechNutso signing off.